arms in a gentle embrace. Golden sands, a warm soft place. Rugged rocks and forest green, a perfect winter scene. We're dancing at Betka's edge, where the waves and river plead. A song of sand and sea, in joyful jubilee. Genoa Peak in the distance stands, guarding these enchanting lands. Bastion Point and estuary, a winter's day in revelry. Soft sunlight casts a glow on Betkas flow, where waters goo. Trees whisper in the breeze, nature's song with such ease. Crystal clear tide flowing inside, ocean water entering the rivers wide. Mingling with the freshwater streams, creating dreams. We're dancing at Betka's edge, where the waves and river plead. A song of sand and sea, in joyful jubilee. Footsteps on the sandy shore, hearts that wander, seeking moon. Eyes meet the endless blue, in Betka's beauty true. As the sun sets lives low, casting a glow, we cherish the dance in Betka's flow. A winter's day in Mallacoota's embrace, nature's dance, a timeless grace. We're dancing at Betka's edge, where the waves and river plead. A song of sand and sea, in joyful jubilee.